Hello everybody and welcome to the 5th episode of Far Cry 4 Base Master. Now I really want to make some new rules because, as you saw in the last one, it took way too long to take over the Bar Shakot. I mean, I know it's supposed to be hard, but it shouldn't take half the episode to try and take over one outpost base, even if it's a fortress. So I've already done it as well. I turned the game difficulty back to down to normal. I hope that doesn't ruin the whole thing for you guys, but I kind of have to. And I'm wondering if I should actually be able to use a signature, because this thing is just overpowered. I'll use it for one outpost, and if I just take it over way too easily, then I'll put it back. But I'll try to only use it in situations where I'm like pretty much dead, I couldn't win. I'll just take it out and start blah, 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 blah. Just so I can get through a lot of outposts, and it's not just staying at one per episode. So guys, approaching the outpost. Gonna hop out the Cadillac. If you get that, yeah. I'm really funny. So first, obviously, every time you have to scout out, see if you can find anybody who's alone.
Hi, how are you?
Okay. That always happens. What? That was a bear. That's a bear. Where's the bear? Oh, they probably trapped it in a cage. The bastards. There's a guy here. And there's another freaking flamer thrower. Anyone else? There's the sniper rifle. Let's actually take him out.
What's happening, Wayne?
Stop moving. Stop.
Oh, I was down in the living room. Having a wank.
Nope.
The telly.
Yes. Got him. Hopefully nobody notices. And let's head over this way. If I shoot his tank, can I explode it? Nope. You don't know where I am. Well, they don't know my actual location. There's a bear. But there might be. Maybe he won't come after me. Like it. And hopefully he will take them all down. And hopefully he won't come after me, because that would just suck. Is that the guy I shot his tank? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Did he see me? Where the heck did he just go? There he is. Oh, there's a sniper up there. Where's the guy's tank I shot? There he is. Fuck. Die. Did I kill him? Oh, I killed him. I didn't know a sniper rifle can kill a tank guy. Oh, fuck. Alright. Let's have out these. Oh, and he's seen me. He's seen me. Take that. Oh, and of course. Yeah, I'm over here. I'm over here. You know that. They can't aim that far. Oh, jeez. That's smoke. That's not explosions. Screw you, you tattletale. Faggot. No, we don't need reinforcements. We're all good over here. Oh.
All around me are familiar faces.
They killed the bear. What a bunch of lowlifes. Come on, let's go. Good night. Sleep tight. Oh. Oh no, they are not. Alright, let's take these guys out. Oh no! This is where I need the buzzsaw. This is way too impossible without the buzzsaw. Now watch what this thing does. And you guys have to tell me if this... Oh, fuck. You guys have to... See, exactly. I already killed the fucking thing. You guys have to tell me if it's too OP. I'm gonna use it the rest of the episode, but if it's too OP, you guys have to tell me, and I'll stop using it. Alright guys, we are approaching the outpost here. And I already see 3 people. Not really hidden, so... Oh, let's take this guy out. Come on. Oh yes, right in the arm. It scared me. Oh, there's a sniper.
Does that guy have a sniper?
No, just a regular guy. Are there dogs or is it just me? Oh, fuck. He spotted the dead body. Is that a dog? I hear a dog. I hear a pupperino. Alright. Oh shit. No scoped. Haha. Ha. Oh fuck. There's another freaking dog? Screw off. Kid no scoped. Yeah, dude. Get. Oh my god, how many dogs are there? Fuck, he moved. He saw me aiming for him. Goddamn, goddamn. Screw you. You faggot. Nope, too late, too late. Oh, yes. That's not, no, that's not gonna work. Let's take out this D50 or Desert Eagle. If you play fucking, jeez, there's so many. Screw the heck off. Nope. Frick off. Frick off, dudes. Where's this guy? Oh! Get wrecked, scrub. Oh, Jesus Christ. Haha. This is a good weapon. Alright. Not for long range though. Yeah, just keep standing. What? Oh, you're down there. Where's his propaganda? Okay. Let's throw a Molotov at it. Bang! And last guy, boom! Ha ha ha. This weapon, this D9, this D50, I don't even know what it's called. Don't believe me. Ooh, I already see smoke. I already see the one we're going after now. Watch me fly! Do, do, do. Wow, I can see the ocean from here. Come on, guys. Can't we just stop the fighting and have peace and harmony to all? Can't we?
How about
no,
new?
I said get. Fuck you. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh no!
Is he dead? How are you not dead? How are you? There we go. And let's take it down. Alright, guys. Again, we're approaching our outpost that we are about to take over. No, you don't see me. Look, 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 look. Yeah, you only pretty much saw me. You didn't actually see me. Oh shit. Just sniper. Boom. Oh fuck. Sticker. Oh god, put him down. Put him down and run. You idiot. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Not like this. Not like this. Not like this. Jump. No, I don't. Don't. No. Fuck. Nope. Wait, what even seeing me? This? Whatever that is. I'm over here, you retards. Good night. What?
What the fuck?
Why are you guys not dead? Oh, come on, just die. How many grenades do I have to throw? No, 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 no. What the hell was that? Was that a mortar? Oh gosh, they have mortars. The D50. Yeah, yelling and
Hey guys, does anyone know where he went?
Can you not see me? Okay. You idiot. Screw off. Oh no. Oh no, come on. Fire, fire, fire. Okay, I'm only gonna use this against the airplane. Against the... Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, my God.
I'm dying.
Oh.
Help me.
Was that the airplane? Alright, I had to. I couldn't switch weapons. Alright. I could jump that far. I had no idea I could actually made that. Approaching our destination in our wingsuit. Oh, okay, I meant our parachute. But we're approaching our destination either way. This is a perfect area to scout out. I thought I saw, yep, there's a sniper up there. There's another one there. There's a guy. Alright, let's take this guy out. This one looks like an even harder base. This one looks like a freaking actual fortress. Oh my god, I missed. Yeah, you're dead now, so. Nobody else saw the bullet, so. Sorry. Oh god. If you can see me, you freaking retards. Look at this chain kill. Oh shit. Fuck. I'm dead. Don't. Yes, okay. That was so lucky. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Ching. Oh, I got him. Oh, I just wasted that. Fudge. Fudge my nuggets. Eh. Look at you burn. You wiener. Yeah, you just burn. I just watch you. Mommy's not helping you today. Hello, peacefuls.
Go fuck yourself. You're a fucking angry little fucking spastic.
Do you not surround me? Oh, yes. Hit!
You're too slow.
Great, you scared them. Thanks a lot, faggot. Whoops. But I destroyed the truck though, so. Alright guys, so if I go quickly here. Then I could actually make it. What? Is it live? Are you live? Motherfucker, you better not be lying to me. 37 minutes in. Oh, for fuck's sake. What do you want from me? Gosh. Stop making me kill you guys. I only go after people who are in outposts. You guys can just be free if you don't have to spot me and try to shoot me. All you have to say is, please don't hurt us. We won't hurt you. We want to join your army. But no. You think your team's gonna win. Your team's actually already lost. I already killed your ruler, I think. What the fuck was that? Oh shit. Ah! All right, kill the stupid hostage now. Shouldn't have gotten fucking stolen, kidnapped. You freaking retard. If you get kidnapped, you gotta do the Ajay Gale way. You gotta get out yourself. Oh, for fuck's sake! Get out of my way! Okay, you know what? I don't care anymore. I just couldn't care anymore. Everybody dies. You die. And yeah, try to run. If you want to be friends, you can stop shooting me now. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Good night. A hoverboard. Never seen one of these in the game. I've heard of them. I've heard of the legends, but I've never seen it. Screw off. All right, approaching the. Oh shit. Fuck. No! Hoverboard. No! Hoverboard. No!
Leave me.
No, it can't end like this.
Please kill me.
I'll never.
You must.
I'll never leave you.
If you don't, the Royal Army will win. Kill me.
But goodbye. I'll miss you. I love you.
Come back here and kill me. Faggot.
I can't. It's just too much.
Stop being gay and just kill me. Wait, no. Not with explosives. Not with explosives.
Alright, back to the base. Do 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 do. You haven't seen me. Yeah, do 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 do. You know what? To end this, just to end this video off, let's just see how overpowered this freaking gun is. Woo! One done. You will never escape. You can't. Oh, geez, that's a rocket launcher. Oh, and I have no freaking. Better. You might want to stay back. You might not want to do that. We're coming in from the air. Oh, I thought I was actually gonna say it. That's right, rocket launcher. Come on. Who are you people? Woo! This is fun. What was the point? Yeah, throw whatever that is at me. That's gonna stop my. It made me deaf, but it's not gonna stop me. You're dead. Yeah, get on the turret. That's gonna help you. Where's the helicopter? Oh no, there's no helicopter. Just a stupid people. Oh, and they've already flipped. Fuck. Fucking shit. Oh Jesus! Jesus! Oh, it's up there. You cunt. Oh! Alright guys, that's getting the end of the video. What are you scared of? Oh, you're scared of the fire. It's not gonna hurt you. It doesn't bite.
Wait a minute!
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Oh shit, I missed. Hold on. Yeah, let me just put that back on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My Elgato's going. So I'll see you guys next time.